Okay, here's a remodel up in the Santa Cruz Mountains. Basically, we built an existing home, approximately 4,000 square feet. We with a Tuscan style, nice wood, metal plastic materials, nice entryway, and with the pavers out front. Nice, really beautiful setting. So this is the back part of the home. We added onto this part approximately about 8 feet and changed the roof lines, and then we did all the hardscape and railings out here, all nice stonework, nice stamped concrete, and we helped them redo the pool stuff. I'm slightly involved in that, and it's basic landscaping. They had a lot of, we just set everything up, and then they had some gardeners come in and do all the planting. And the nice columns, stone columns, out front and also here, all real stone. Nice cast materials, nice bullnose edges into the windows, smooth stucco. So here's the foyer as you enter into the home. Came in here, we created this radius stairwell with a precasted material, and then custom built handrails and nice alder doors. And we've also travertine tile on the floor with inlay, nice border strip with some diamonds, squares throughout, and nice base that matches the tiles, all bull-nosed edges. Big front door, nice transom above the door with another transom feature window on top. So here, this is another part of the remodel. This is a new kitchen, alder cabinets, granite counters, custom designed backsplash over the range, nice hood set all custom built with nice archways, and let's see here, we've got the nice can lighting, skylight, bullnose edges throughout, the sheetrock work with the old world texture on the sheetrock to mimic the Tuscany fill. And then we have all new hardwood floors throughout. We built these trusses in place and basically brought a crane in to lift them into place. And then come over here, we have a cabinet that we built for the entertainment, with their flat screen, and then on the side here's a fireplace with a rock surround, real stone, and then you can look out to the backyard in this room towards the pool and entertaining area that we showed earlier in the video. So we come into this room. This originally was a bedroom area that we reconfigured the whole layout of the home, so it was more open, more less compartment kind of situation. So we'll open this up to a living room, install new fireplace here. Nice, it's a gas fireplace with precast material on the exterior, and mimicking a travertine or a limestone kind of look. Can lighting throughout, custom beams, and once again throughout the home we installed all the doors, and then you come to this door and we go to the master. And this is the master bedroom. Here again we carry the beam throughout the house. and good lighting, it's got sound throughout the home. And then you can also look out this area out back into the backyard off the master. And you can see the nice stonework and landscaping that's out there. Then we added on this section of the house was added on to accommodate closet space basically. We added on about 5 feet on this side of the home. And we come over to this area over here, which would be the master bathroom. And once again, a lot of stonework in here, granite counters, travertine floors. In the shower area, we have all slab. It's a limestone material, and in the built-in tub, it matches the counters, the cap piece on top, and also the nice window ledge detail with 2 shower features inside. And then cabinetry once again, alder, built by my cabinet person, and we basically came in and designed all the cabinetry with the homeowner and did the custom finishes, and new mirrors, sconces. This is all brand new, part of the home. Oh, I should point out this nice glass panel here that my glass person installed. Very pretty. So this is the office. We installed nice granite counters in here, custom built cabinets, and it's nice. You can see out towards the front of the home and the beautiful redwood trees. Very nice setting here. And once again, we've hardwood floors throughout the home. And I'm sure they spent a lot of time in this room. So this is a gas bathroom off the kitchen area in front. So we have nice marble tile work, a nice feature strip throughout, new windows, the rain glass windows, which gives you the obscurity from the exterior, give you the privacy, and then nice granite counters, custom cabinetry, added the nice sconces. And once again, if you notice on the door detail, there's all these, it's all bull-nosed edge, so there's not actually trim work with the casing, and then this is all bull-nosed into the door frame, which gives it a nice, really nice detail. So here again, we have another bathroom. Came in with a marble material on the walls with a nice feature strip and nice detail, kind of almost like a beaded crown look to that. Nice corners in the tub area. We have the slide bar, shower. The homeowner doesn't really use this bathroom, it's more for guests. But this, to be honest with you, this is one of my favorite bathrooms in the home. I really like the way it turned out. So come out and shower, then once again we have custom heavy shower doors, and come in, carry the same theme throughout the shower out to this floor area. And then also here we did the same on the countertop. Rather than using slab, we went with a tile, real stone, and nice sinks, and you know, these sconces and can lighting throughout, and all detail bull-nose edges throughout the home with the old world texture.